She snoozes the alarm.
She snoozes the alarm.
She stretches again.
She stretches again.
She checks the calendar.
She checks the calendar.
She joins a morning yoga class.
She joins a morning yoga class.
She drinks lemon water.
She drinks lemon water.
She takes her vitamins.
She takes her vitamins.
She feeds the dog.
She feeds the dog.
She ties her shoes.
She ties her shoes.
She goes jogging.
She goes jogging.
She takes deep breaths.
She takes deep breaths.
She listens to a podcast.
She listens to a podcast.
She waves to neighbors.
She waves to neighbors.
She returns home.
She returns home.
She makes a smoothie.
She makes a smoothie.
She writes a to-do list.
She writes a to-do list.
She attends an online class.
She attends an online class.
She learns new words.
She learns new words.
She practices speaking.
She practices speaking.
She reads an article.
She reads an article.
She watches a tutorial.
She watches a tutorial.
She opens her laptop.
She opens her laptop.
She replies to emails.
She replies to emails.
She attends a virtual meeting.
She attends a virtual meeting.
She shares a document.
She shares a document.
She gives a presentation.
She gives a presentation.
She takes a break.
She takes a break.
She meditates for 10 minutes.
She meditates for 10 minutes.
She stretches her back.
She stretches her back.
She eats some fruit.
She eats some fruit.
She drinks herbal tea.
She drinks herbal tea.
She chats with a colleague.
She chats with a colleague.
She checks her schedule.
She checks her schedule.
She joins a group call.
She joins a group call.
She writes a blog post.
She writes a blog post.
She checks grammar.
She checks grammar.
She edits her work.
She edits her work.
She saves the file.
She saves the file.
She sends it to her boss.
She sends it to her boss.
She updates her planner.
She updates her planner.
She makes a shopping list.
She makes a shopping list.
She picks up a parcel.
She picks up a parcel.
She opens the box.
She opens the box.
She checks the product.
She checks the product.
She leaves a review.
She leaves a review.
She pays a bill online.
She pays a bill online.
She checks her bank account.
She checks her bank account.
She adds notes in her budget.
She adds notes in her budget.
She books a dentist appointment.
She books a dentist appointment.
She texts her friend.
She texts her friend.
She shares a funny video.
She shares a funny video.
She watches a drama.
She watches a drama.
She laughs out loud.
She laughs out loud.
She cries at a sad scene.
She cries at a sad scene.
She turns down the volume.
She turns down the volume.
She lights a lamp.
She lights a lamp.
She wears warm socks.
She wears warm socks.
She makes hot chocolate.
She makes hot chocolate.
She calls her sister.
She calls her sister.
She talks for an hour.
She talks for an hour.
She hangs up.
She hangs up.
She writes a thank you note.
She writes a thank you note.
She plans her weekend.
She plans her weekend.
She looks at photos.
She looks at photos.
She posts a picture.
She posts a picture.
She responds to comments.
She responds to comments.
She opens a notebook.
She opens a notebook.
She doodles on a page.
She doodles on a page.
She listens to rain sounds.
She listens to rain sounds.
She sips warm milk.
She sips warm milk.
She checks the window.
She checks the window.
She sees the moon.
She sees the moon.
She smiles.
She smiles.
She lays in bed.
She lays in bed.
She fixes her blanket.
She fixes her blanket.
She sets an alarm again.
She sets an alarm again.
She switches off her phone.
She switches off her phone.
She hugs her pillow.
She hugs her pillow.
She prays.
She prays.
She thinks of her goals.
She thinks of her goals.
She calms her mind.
She calms her mind.
She thanks the day.
She thanks the day.
She feels peaceful.
She feels peaceful.
She yawns.
She yawns.
She stretches once more.
She stretches once more.
She closes her eyes.
She closes her eyes.
She takes a deep breath.
She takes a deep breath.
She lets go of worries.
She lets go of worries.
She listens to her heart.
She listens to her heart.
She feels sleepy.
She feels sleepy.
She drifts into dreams.
She drifts into dreams.
She sleeps soundly.
She sleeps soundly.
She recharges her body.
She recharges her body.
She rests her mind.
She rests her mind.
She prepares for tomorrow.
She prepares for tomorrow.
She has sweet dreams.
She has sweet dreams.
She hugs her blanket.
She hugs her blanket.
She hears the clock tick.
She hears the clock tick.
She breathes slowly.
She breathes slowly.
She feels cozy.
She feels cozy.
She ends her day.
She ends her day.